$1200. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that you should consider for your next PC build. Let's get started. For the processor, I have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F. This one costs around $172. Now it has up to 4.4 GHz clock speed along with 6 cores and 12 threads. Then for the motherboard, I have chosen the MSI Mac B660M. This one costs around $146. Now with that price, you are going to get an excellent motherboard. As you can see, you will get a very big heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling, 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for SSD support, and overall an excellent deal in this price. Then for the graphics card, I have chosen the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070. This one costs around $569. Now this graphics card is a 1440p gaming graphics card. You can basically play any modern games at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings easily and smoothly. And also currently this is the cheapest 3070 you can get, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, I have chosen the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro SL 16GB. This one costs around $59. Now each of the RAM are 8GB, so in total we are going to get 16GB. Now those RAMs looks excellent with the white heatsink and the RGB on the top, and also they comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. And for the SSD, we are using the Sabran 1TB NVMe SSD. This one costs around $79. Now this is the cheapest PCIe Gen for 1TB SSD you can buy. This SSD has up to 5000 Mbps read data speed, which is excellent for an SSD with this price. And for the power supply, we are using the Corsair RMX 750W. This one costs around $114. Now this is a top tier power supply by Corsair as it is gold certified. And also this graphics card is a fully modular graphics card, so you can detach all the unnecessary cables, so your cable management will be excellent. And this power supply comes with 10-year plus warranty, so an excellent deal. Then for the casing, we are using the Antec NX410. This one costs around only $89. With that price, you are going to get 3 pre-installed RGB fans and a mesh front, so you will see excellent airflows and overall an excellent casing for under $90. And all those components will cost you around $1234. Thanks for watching.